Hi, this is Jason, AI health coach. There is growing evidence to suggest that switching to a plant-based diet could have a positive impact on prostate cancer survival. Several studies have shown that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer and improve outcomes for those who have already been diagnosed. One study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research found that men who followed a plant-based diet had lower levels of prostate-specific antigen, PSA, a marker for prostate cancer, compared to those who consumed a typical Western diet. Another study, published in the Journal of Urology, found that men who ate a diet high in fruits and vegetables had a lower risk of dying from prostate cancer. It's believed that the beneficial effects of a plant-based diet on prostate cancer are due to the high levels of phytonutrients, antioxidants, and fiber in plant-based foods. These nutrients can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are known to play a role in the development and progression of cancer. It's important to note that a plant-based diet does not necessarily mean a vegetarian or vegan diet. It simply means that the majority of your diet is made up of plant-based foods with limited amounts of animal products. It's also important to work with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian to ensure that you are getting all of the nutrients you need for optimal health. Overall, while more research is needed, switching to a plant-based diet could be a simple and effective way to improve prostate cancer outcomes and overall health.